Magandang umaga! Kamusta? Hello, my name is Rosemary Dilum Tarsona, a passionate and committed educator with a bachelor's degree in elementary education and 14 years in teaching experience. I have taught different core subjects across elementary level and effectively manage a large and diverse classroom around 45 to 50 students. And currently, I teach 5th grade and serve as a homeroom advisor. And beyond classroom instruction, I take on several leadership roles as a grade 6 level chairman and a science coordinator. I also serve as a Supreme Pupil Government Advisor and the Girl Scout coordinator. And as an educator, my teaching philosophy centers in creating an inclusive and dynamic learning environment where every student feels safe, valued, supported, and confident to share their ideas. It is deeply shaped by my own journey as a learner. I grew up struggling in school, and it was a genuine care of my elementary teacher that changed everything for me. She didn't just teach me how to read and write. She helped me understand, believe, and hope. And I felt truly seen and valued for the first time. And at that moment, I knew I wanted to become a teacher. That experience has motivated me throughout my life to show genuine care, uplift my students to thrive, and believe in them the same way someone believed in me. I know that every learner is unique and learn differently, so I strive to make my lesson inclusive by incorporating different strategies to meet the diverse learning needs and integrate it with values education, for learning happens when knowledge is shaped by good character. And now, I am seeking new challenges and opportunity to grow professionally. I want to teach in the US because it offers diverse and innovative educational environment. I am drawn to the opportunity to collaborate with colleagues from different backgrounds, share best practices, and support student, academic, and personal growth. Teaching in the US allows me to embrace new teaching strategies, integrate technology effectively, and help students develop the skill they need to succeed, and use these experiences to deliver a meaningful and engaging cultural supportive learning environment. Well, ultimately, my goal is to help students gain knowledge, develop strong values, and grow into confident, responsible, and compassionate individual, transforming life just mine was transformed. And as lastly, as I end today, I always live by the philosophy of Saint John de La Salle. To touch the heart of your student is the greatest miracle you can perform. And I am proud to become a compassionate teacher, blessed with the chance to create this miracle every day. Through my patience, my guidance, and the love I pour to every student and into learning. Thank you.